Good evening everyone, this is Manas from the hospitality desk. Are you looking for a hotel management job or career in hospitality industry? Kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for getting more updating trending videos from the hospitality or hotel industries. So today we are going to discuss about टाइप्स ऑफ होटल मैनेजमेंट कोर्स। जी, करियर बनाने के लिए आपको जो होटल मैनेजमेंट कोर्स करना पड़ेंगे, तो वो कोर्स के लिए कौन सा कोर्स आपके लिए सुइटेबल है और कौन सा कोर्स आप करेंगे तो योर करियर विल बी ब्राइट इन फ्यूचर, और कौन सा कोर्स करने के बाद आप कहाँ तक पहुंच सकते हो। कोई रेस्टोरेंट मैनेजर बनता है, कोई एफ&बी मैनेजर बनता है, कोई जनरल मैनेजर बनता है, और कोई कॉर्पोरेट में काम करता है, वो कैसे करता है, कौन सा कोर्स आपको करने का जरूरत है, कौन सा कोर्स आप करेंगे तो आप कॉर्पोरेट तक पहुंच सकता है, ये जानना आपके लिए बहुत ही जरूरी है। ठीक है, तो आज हम बात करेंगे टाइप्स ऑफ होटल मैनेजमेंट कोर्स। ठीक है, बेसिकली इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर ए होटल मैनेजमेंट कोर्स डिटेल्स normally, so you can subscribe our channel and see the full videos. So here we will see type of hotel management course. First of all, you will find the career entry level course is the diploma or certificate program course. It can be 6 month to 1 year course. Here you will learn only the basic of hospitality skill or suitable for entry level position, where you will just get a chance to work in a hotel industry. You will get a entry level chance to get entry in a hospitality industry or hotel industry. So if you want to start just your career or you want to get entry on hospitality industry, so you can do just simply diploma or certificate course for hotel management. Second is bachelor's degree. That course is basically 3 to 4 years course. Here we called it basically BSc in hotel management or BSc in hospitality and hotel administration. Okay, it's called Bachelor of Hotel Management. We used to call BHM. Okay, and cover hotel operation, food and beverage management, housekeeping, marketing, front office. All the department is covered into. So it's a full course. It's a degree course where you can build your full career in hospitality industry or hotel industry. It's called bachelor's or degree course. Next is master's degree, master's in hotel management. It will take after doing your degrees, after complete your 3 to 4 year degrees, then you can do master in hospitality. So we call MSc in hospitality management, or we used to call MBA in hospitality management, MBA in hospitality management. Focus on advanced management technique and leadership role. Basically in a hotel or in hospitality industry, you will find the leadership role like food and beverage manager, front office manager, or hotel manager. This role you will get after doing this course. So there is an adventure of doing master on hotel management. Next is your online or short time course. Of course, there is a course people used to do it from sitting at home. They used to teach many students through the online, or that usually that is very short time, like 3 month, 6 month. So here what you will learn? Here you will specialized course in event management, small event management, food safety, front office operation, etc., etc. And it will be great for upskill or housekeeping departments or front office entry level. So they will teach you through the online in a short term course what exactly the hospitality industry is. So basically on those course, whatever I told about, 4 different type of course. One is your just the entry level, that is diploma or certificate. One is your degree course, bachelor's degree course. One is your mastered MSc in hotel management. One is your online course. So 4 course I already discussed. So these all 4 course, what they are going to teach you, what you are going to learn from your teacher or from your college, or these all your particular 3 year or 4 year, what you are going to learn from there, that also you must know from here. Now your video is going to more interesting. So now let's see what all are the topics is there, what your teacher is going to teach you. They will teach you front office operation, what is going to happen in your front office at the entry where the guest is coming, into the hotel and seeing people are standing on the desk and doing warm welcoming, that's the front office. What all are the job responsibilities there? Next is your food and beverage management. Food and beverage management. Next, when your guest will come down from the room for having dinner, bar, restaurant, and coffee shop, etc., etc. So that's come under food and beverage management. Housekeeping management. Whenever guest is coming to the hotel for checking in, they are going to the room. Room has to be made as per the standard. There has to be some standard amenities to be kept. Towels, bed has to be made as per the standard. Kids has to be there. There has to be as per standard. Shampoo, soap, everything has to be there. That's a housekeeping management. Every day there has to be cleaning. There is a process to how to do the cleaning, chemicals, blah blah blah. Lots of process is there. That's all will be covered here in housekeeping management. And next is hotel law and ethics. Of course, there will be some every hotel, there will be some in-house rules or some ethics will be there. Whenever you are working in a hotel, you cannot go beyond of the hotel's rule or hotel ethics. That also they are going to teach you what you should do and what you should not. Then event management. You will understand, they will make you understand how to handle the event. Whenever you are doing any banqueting, any 500, 600, 1000 pax banquet is coming, wedding is coming, some conference is there, how to do that manage? That's the event management. Marketing and public relation. So there will be a team, it's called marketing team, who is going to meet the people outside of the hotel, corporate, and lots of businessmen they will meet and they will give all the introduction about your hotel, and they will bring the guest to your hotel for staying and giving banquet business and the restaurant business and all. So they are the marketing people, and sometimes we used to call them as a sales people. They will make a public relation outside of the hotel. Why the guest will come down to your hotel for staying. Next is financial management, which is more important to run a hotel or restaurant, that is financial management. How much budget they are going to budgeting for your restaurant or for your hotel, that is more important. You have to achieve your budget with keeping in mind the guest satisfaction score and quality and guest satisfaction too, quality of service, quality of food. So how we are going to manage all the financial things, that is more important, that all the things they are going to cover up with this duration. Next is your top institute offering hotel management. There will be some institute known as a very famous, either it is India, USA, UK or Australia. If you talk about India have IHM, Institute of Hotel Management, IHM, like overall Center of Learning and Development. So if you talk about Indian hospitality top institute and management, you will find IHM and IHM. If you talk about the USA, you will found that Cornell University, University of Nevada. If you talk about UK, you will find University of Surrey and Oxford Brookes universities. So these all universities are in UK. If you talk about Australia, you will find that Blue Mountain International Hotel Management School is the most good institute in Australia. So what all are the career opportunities is there after doing those hotel management course from those places and those course? You can get opportunities for a hotel manager position. You can be selected for a hotel manager's position. You can be selected as a food and event coordinator position. You can get opportunity for food and beverage manager position. You can get opportunity for front office manager, housekeeping manager or HR manager too, where you will be very personalized your skill to develop that organization with that organization skill. So these all are career opportunities there after doing your hotel management course from so and so college. Also you can get opportunity for cruise line manager. Yes, after doing this course you can become a cruise line manager or cruise and hospitalities manager. So these all opportunities you can get after doing those course this hotel management course. Thank you so much for watching this video and bearing those valuable time with us. Kindly subscribe our channel to get more learning notification from the hospitality desk. Thank you so much.